The Holy Stone HS175D drone is the whole package for aerial photography enthusiasts. With its 4K camera, intelligent flight modes, and safety features, this drone makes capturing stunning footage easy. The star of the show is the 4K camera. With 4096 by 3072 resolution, you'll get crisp, clear shots every time. The wide 110 degrees lens fits more into the frame, perfect for sweeping landscapes. And the adjustable 90 degrees camera angle provides flexibility for top-down or side-angle shots. Smooth, lag-free FPV video transmission means you can see exactly what you're filming in real time. But a great camera alone isn't enough. This is where the HS175D's intelligent flight modes come in. GPS-assisted hovering keeps the drone steady while you concentrate on framing shots. Set it to follow me mode and it will autonomously track your movements from above. Pre-program an automated flight path with waypoint mode. Orbit a fixed point while keeping the camera aimed at the center. These easy modes open up cinematic possibilities. New pilots will also appreciate the safety features. GPS positioning and auto return to home prevent flyaways if the battery gets low or connection is lost. Altitude hold improves stability when hovering. And features like headless mode and one-key takeoff/landing simplify the flying experience. With 2 batteries, you'll get an impressive 46 minutes of flight time, nearly double most drones. The long endurance, range, and portability let you take pro-level aerial shots anywhere. For creative aerial photography that's easy and fun, the Holy Stone HS175D has everything you need built right in. Its intelligent technology provides smooth, stable 4K footage with cinematic effects.